Tomatoes coming in nicely. Got another one in right here. Unfortunately, the jalapeno that I had came off too. Unfortunately, with all the rain we've been having, these pots have been filling up. Oh, that jalapeno is gone. But it's got more coming in. And this one decided it wanted to hook up with my barbecue pit. Haven't seen no cucumbers yet. Starting to drizzle a little bit out here now. All the rain we've been having flooded everything. Even though I got holes in the bottom for drainage, but you can see, look, water. Been having lots of it. Still waiting on her to tell me what to do with this shed. I would like to cut this tree down, but it's all covered with vines, and I sure as hell don't feel like climbing up there to cut it down. Don't want it falling on the fence or the house. But it is what it is.